Say hi!
Hi!
Okay, nasa si Kim. Hi,
Kimi!
Kim! Opo, pawis. Buti na lang madilim. Hindi kita yung pawis. Sa Pikwan na kami. Pikwan! Say hi! The sun is shining. Good morning, everyone.
Vlogger pa. Vlogger pala si Sheila.
Hoy!
Saan ka ba, Sheila?
Taga Pilipinas lang.
Taga ni Rio. Taga Encantadia.
Oo. Nakakain ko na yung tamo. Ay, sorry. Kasi kayong nagbe-video. Aba, umaura siya. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Our shoes are very dirty now.
Saan ka sa Sheila?
Kayo?
Laguna.
Layo. Layo. Maraming maganda sa Laguna. Mga bodies of water.
Yes.
Sana all. Thank you so much. Kumapit sa dapat kapitan. Kumapit sa nasa harapan.
Di may nagpipicture.
Grabe. Nakakaiyak yung view. Guys, kaya niyo yan. Go, go, go!
No, hindi rin kami makapag-picture kasi nga.
Look at that.
Ito na pa natin ito. Ano, sinalights.
Kim, isang linggo naman dyan. Hi! Asan na yung pick 2? Asan na yung pick 2?
Wala pa.
Ano ba? Ano sabi mo kanina? Pinaasa mo kami.
Para lang umakit kayo.
Umasa ako sa pick 2. Wala pang umiinom ng tubig. Palakasan po kami dito.
Nagbabalag ka ba sila?
Bawal week. I just like taking videos. Kind of. Guys, I can't believe ito na yung naakyat namin. Guys, I'm proud of you. I'm proud of you. Sure.
Hindi kami proud sa amin. Hindi namin, hindi namin. Hindi kami proud sa rin.
Look. Oh my God.
Perfect face. There's no scars on the surface, but behind clever curtains you'll find that everything was staged. Thought the applause was worth the whole charade. You bought a dream,
Wow.
selling pretend, making your wealth out of self-betrayal. Justify all the reasons for why you deserve it, no matter the price you paid. Can't you see me for who I am? Underneath the canvas I painted on the slanted rhymes in my songs, the sleight of hand that breath.
I applied a sunblock. Kasi pasikat na yung araw.
So wrong, so let the curtain.
Grabe, haggard na. Buhay pa. Nasa pick 3 na kami. There. Ilan pa? Isa na lang? Dalawa pa? Ilang pick? Isa na lang.
Summit point na yung sunod.
Okay.
Begging for more spotlight.
Wow, grabe. Ang sarap niyan.
Ikaw ayaw mo?
Hindi, okay lang. May water ako.
70 na sa taas, bahala ka.
Grabe yung pawis ko. Imo yung ano ni Laika. I need to punas my pawis. We're in pick 3. Nangalahati na ba tayo? Nangalahati na tayo, no? More than.
Isang pick na lang.
More than.
Isang pick na lang. Isang pick na lang tapos na.
Okay.
Ayan na!
We're resting. Tapos magpipicture kami doon. Kung saan man maraming tao. Sige lang.
Po, malamig soft
Okay na
drinks.
ako.
60 po, madam.
Sobrang pawis. Sobrang pawis ko. Dumi na ng pants ko. Ayoko na. Look at the view. Nasa taas na kami. Malapit na. It's so nice. Let's go. Tara!
Trying to drown out the shadow. All the more you feel shallow inside. So you close out the blinds, hide behind projection and denial. Oh, you bought a dream on a pretense, selling pretend, making you wealth out of self-betrayal.
Look at my face. Oh my god. My hair is so wet. Amazing! Yun ah! I-aura mo yan! Medyo struggling mag-video kasi mayat maya pinagpapawisan kami. Kasi sobrang pataas siya. Sobrang pa-ascend. So, mahirap mag-video. But, I'm enjoying this view. Guys, I'm super tired. I'm super tired. Medyo malapit na. Nagbablog na daw ako ulit. Huminto ba? Napagod? Yeah. Oh my god. Nahirapan ako mag-video kasi sobrang ang layo. Yung kanina from jump off to peak 1 malapit lang. So akala ko yung distance from peak 1 to peak 2 malapit lang din. Pero hindi, sobrang magkaiba sila. Mas malayo yung pagitan. Kaya struggle. And as much as possible, gusto kong enjoyin yung paglalakad. Kaya hindi ako ganong nag-video. Hindi pa sa lagay na to. Tingnan nyo, mainit na din. So, yun, worth it naman yung view. By the way, hindi ko alam kung nasabi ko na to kanina, but Mount Mariglam is in Zambales, so I chose this place as my first hike this 2025 and more to come. And well, kung isi-search nyo, makikita nyo naman na Mount Mariglam is 573 meters above sea level. So good siya for beginner hike. Good din siya for mga extreme na hiker. Pwede siya. And open field. And ang ikinaganda rin niya, mas mahangin. So, mainit siya, yes, pero mas mahangin kasi pataas kami. I don't know. So, it's really tiring. And tinitibig ko yung water ko kasi 800 ml lang siya. Oh my god, yun na yung nabili ko. Tignan yung pawis ko. By the way, oo, bakit na eh? May energy na ako. Yun, nung na-research ko din tong place, when you reach the summit, nakikita mo daw yung buong Zambales coastline, mga mountain ranges and valleys. Yeah. The time now is, ano oras na pala? 7:22. 7:22. Oh, 7:22 AM pa lang. Pero yung energy natin pang alas 10 na. Alas 10 ng gabi. Alas 5 na ba?
Paut na kami.
Paut na.
Paut na yung energy namin eh.
True. Pero 7 AM pa lang. Past 7 AM. And nag-start tayo. Ano oras ba tayo nag-start? Nag-start kami at 5 AM. Look! Oh my God! We're reaching! Guys, tinawid namin yan. Grabe. Guys, we're here! We're here! Yeah! We made it! We're alive! We're alive! And kicking! We're resting. Oh, yan na! Hi ka naman! Hi! We're resting because we're so tired. Grabe, 3 hours din yun ah. Almost. Guys, we officially arrived. What? Ah! Oh my God. Look. Dito na kami sa tuktok. We had our picture taking. Yes, natapos na. After 2.5 hours of hike, natapos na namin. Okay, tapos na kami mag-picture. Ayoko na. Pababa na kami. We'll see the river in a while. We're here na sa river. Grabe, after like 2 hours of descending. How are you? How are you? Still breathing! We made it! We're so strong! Strong and independent girlies. Kuya, kaya pa? Kaya mo yan. Pagsubok lang yan. We decided to go on a swimming. Swimming with Kim. Yes. Dito kami magsiswimming. And hindi ko naman dadala yung phone ko kasi gusto ko mag-enjoy. Mag-enjoy kami. See you later. Aray! Say hi! Hi!
Again, hindi namin nakita sa YouTube channel.
Ay, syempre makikita yan.
Ano na, Kim? Bawal marupok.
Char. Bawal marupok sa tubig. Yana, how's the experience?
Mas nakakapagod yung pababa.
Totoo! Grabe! Go, Kim. Kaya mo yan. Ah!
Mabiras ka.
Go, girl! That's my girl! Kailangan talaga nakakap pa.
Mainit, girl.
Kaya? Oh my God.
Power pop girl.
Yes. Tumatalo. Guys, nakakaingit kayo. Dip-dip muna tayo here. Grabe, parang nate-therapy yung seat natin.
Talaga ba?
Oo nga! Ka-33 ka lang ha? Pwede ko nga. Mag-birthday nga ako yung sa 33. August 13. That's it for now. So, I'm gonna say bye to you and see you on my next video. Say bye!
Bye!
Bye! Hi everyone! Pauwi na kami. Today was a success. I'm glad na I pushed through with it. Minsan, yung reason na kung bakit hindi ko pinupush na umalis is because minsan I'm waiting for my friends na maging available sila, or like, ang hirap pagtagpuin ng schedule. So, minsan, ang ending, hindi ko na siya nagagawa. But, you know, you will realize that you don't have to actually wait for them if you want to enjoy now. You can enjoy now. You can choose to go alone kasi marami ka namang makikita and makikilala on the way. Diba? And you're not really alone. Say hi!
Hi!
O, diba? Kasabi ko lang. Yun, if there's something that you would really want to do and you're looking for someone na makakasama, that's okay. You can have them next time, but you can choose to enjoy your own company and just wait for people na makikilala mo along the way. And yeah, just do it alone. Do it scared. Just do it. And then, you'll get amazed sa fulfillment na mararamdaman mo pag nagawa mo siya. Kasi, sobrang rewarding. And, yeah, You don't have to keep on delaying the things that you want. Sometimes you can choose to do it now. Kasi kung hindi ngayon, kailan, diba? Thank you guys for watching. And I'll see you on my next video. Bye!